definitely worth filming. I've got two Patterdale Terriers missing underneath this concrete slab. Going down through in here. Elf is quite concerned. Here she comes. So she's been gone about 10 minutes. There's something down there. And so we're at the cemetery. This grave's about 150 years old. And this is how you can engage earth dogs in the city in hunting activity without catching anything, without causing any disturbance. It keeps them happy and makes for a much better pet. It makes the humans much happier.